Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. How are you doing today? I hope you can hear me loud and clear. So, if you can hear me loud and clear, say yes. Yes, everybody, you can hear me, right? Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. How is the sound? I hope there is no echo, right? It's no echo. It's fine. There is nothing disturbing today, right? The sound is clearer and it's not disturbing your earrings, right? Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. All right, let's see who is number one today. Let's see who is number one today. I have to be fair to everybody. So, Mohammed Omar, yes, you are number one according to the YouTube here. You are number one on the list. Well done, Mohammed. Thank you so much for coming. You are a staunch member. Yeah, so you knew, right? I was just reading what you said. That yay, you are number one. I can see that. In fact, you are awesome. Awesome. Mojalefa, you number two. Good. Oh my. Don't let Omar Muhammad make you to come and stay here 30 minutes before the time, okay? Oh, good. That's fantastic. Thank you guys for coming. So, Mojalefa, good to see you again today. Abby, I wish one day I'll start earlier. It's much better to watch live. All right, good. Now we are just starting, so you are here at the right timing. Good day to you, Francisco. Good to see you again. Angola, good to see you from Angola. Good. You're really excited about the market today. I think every one of us today are really excited. We were excited yesterday. We were excited today. Let me tell you, we are going to be excited tomorrow. I'm not a Shangoma. But something tells me that. Okay. Thank you, Franz Kruger, for coming today. All right. Right, so we're starting now, right? Event has started. So, Jason, good to see you again. Robert, lovely to see you. Robert has been great. He's been helping a lot of people. Excellent. So, Tolu Lokpe, good to see you. Mr. C, welcome back from India, right? I'm sure I'm right. If not, correct me, please. Francisco Danish, thank you so much for hearing me loud and clear. Okay, Robert. Okay, Danish, Francisco, Mr. C. So we are failing to load the indicator. Also notice on the Telegram people are having trouble with setting session times. Okay. We will sort that out. We are going to sort it out. Don't worry. It's so easy to get. It takes only one time to get it. Once you get it one time, that's it. You are set for life. Forever. Okay, good to see you. Who else is here? All right. Dario, you are here. Gonzalez. Okay. No, before I get to Dario, here we have France, here we have Danish, we have Wasame. Hello, Wasame. Thanks for confirming that it's loud and clear. All right, Dario, good to see you from Peru. Peru, South America. So you are representing the South American people here. Good, amigo. Hello. Maurice, good to see you, Maurice. Good to see you. Angola man, Francesco, good to see you. Okay. Maslets. Okay, international. Good evening. Okay, Dennis, you say you want to know that indicator timing or box timing should be when market starts and an hour before market starts, and box should be and then market start. Okay, no worries, you will see the box. Sound is great, said Dario. Thank you so much. Ali, good to see you. Ali has been very active on Telegram, so I'll give a shout to you. We're going to do that Telegram later on. Ifeanyi, good to see you again. Habib, nice coming. Nice to see you. Okay, Mubarak, is this your first time? And Marcelet, good to see you again. Ifeanyi, yes. Okay, you have to sign up with IC Market so that I will use. Oh, you use Mr. Dari's time zone. You better do. If time zone is giving you troubles, you can always come and sign up with my IC Market link. There's nothing. You are going to gain a lot. You are not losing nothing. You are getting a very good spread for IC Market. They are regulated broker. And then you can withdraw your money anytime, any day. I have withdrawn, I won't tell you, but tens of thousands. So they are quite happy to give you your money anytime, any day, within 24 hours. If you make requests before 12 o'clock, if you make it after 12 o'clock, then you will get it the following day. Okay, good. Thank you so much for confirming that. Excellent. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, glad that you are all here today, and we are here for a business. Okay, do you agree with me that we are here for a business? Okay, if you agree, then we are going to crack on and go for the business. Excellent. Okay, so let's look at the screen here. Okay, yes, I remember you mentioned that IC Market is not for Angola. You can find another broker for Angola markets that are good. Make sure you don't just go for any broker, because some brokers are killers. They can kill your account. Someone just told me today, one of my students, he had an experience with a broker. He has been trading with them for a while, and this week, what the broker does was he had two different brokers. So this one is trade, take profit on one broker. On the other broker is trades, hit a stop loss. Same trade, enter at the same time, same price, or very close to the same price. And he realized that where the broker hit stop loss, his account hit stop loss, they had a spread of 9 pips at that particular time, because he called the broker and said, what's going on? So the broker then produced an evidence to show that the price actually traded and hit a stop loss. But when he checked it properly, he discovered there was a spread of 9 pips. A spread that is supposed to be 1 pip, it is 9 pips. So he hit his stop loss. So be careful of brokers. Wasame, good to see you. Crypto is here today. Crypto in the house. Everybody, crypto is in the house. When crypto is in the house, good things happen. Joel, good to see you. Wasal, is this your first time? Hey, from India. Thank you for representing the great continent of India. Thank you so much. By the way, are you coming for the first time? Okay. All right. Jojo Desmond. That name seemed a little bit newish. Are you joining here for the first time? All right. Morris, IC Market didn't approve your documents. Yes, I think sometimes they are very fussy about what kind of document you should bring. But if you get to their help desk, they might be able to help you. Especially, come to the Telegram group, because loads of people, I will show you if time permits. A lot of people from different countries, they are on IC market. I see a lot of people from Nigeria. In fact, somebody was asking whether they can take a Nigerian currency, Naira. So they can, according to the person. It says they can. Even the exchange rate was very good for this guy when he was showing his account on the Telegram group today. Good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let us begin without further delay, right? Because I want to greet everybody, but at the same time, I want to press on. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I recognize few people are here. If you are here for the first time, let us know by saying yes, you are first timer. The reason being, if there's no new people, we go at a high speed. The jet speed, supersonic. But if you have new people, then we go at the snail speed. Our veterans, they know that already, so they're going to be okay with that. All right, so raise up your hand if you are new. Otherwise, we are on a fast lane tonight. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, here let's begin today. Where do we start from? That's USD, Japanese yen. This is euro. Where do you want to start from? Anywhere? Okay, let's start with euro. Okay, let's start with euro. It doesn't matter. Today is a great day for the strategy anyway, so it doesn't matter where we start from. What is important is that you understand it. Okay, you got it. You got it. All right, so let's start here today. Okay, fingers on the buzzer. Okay, so Jojo is a first timer. Zayn, are you first timer? You said yes. Okay. All right, Jojo, don't worry, you will get it. Okay. First of all, we're gonna make it fast initially, and then we slow down later on. Okay. Fingers on the buzzer, everybody. Okay. Tell me what is the trigger candle here. Okay. I want you to show off today. I want to show your skill off, right? I want to show off your skill set, that you are a professional trader. You are a successful trader. Okay, so let's go. All right. Okay, so fingers on the buzzer. Let me expand it very well so you can see. Yeah, clearly now. Okay. All right, so the big candle here is candle number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3. Which is the trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Fingers on the buzzer. Oh my! More break. How did you do that? I think this guy, this Omar is using some tactics that we don't know yet. He has some hidden tactics. It can look beyond the times. Okay, Mubarak 2, France 2, Trader Newbie 2. Okay, Trader Newbie, you are here. Good. I'll talk to you very soon. Oshogbiye 2, Amodu 2, Jacob 2, Dario 2, Ali 2, Aliu 2, Wasame 2, my one Aunt Nelly 2, Francisco 2, Danish 2, Jason 2, Matthew 2, Joe 2, Joel 2, Sam 2, Ifai 2, Mubarak. You've been watching my video. Yes, I know. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I know a lot of people here are watching. So well done. Thank you so much. I hope it's been helpful. All right, so I can see this is 100% correct from the house. Is it 100% correct or 0% correct? We shall see, because there's no one else saying something else other than 2. That gives us some clue. Let's see. All right, so if you tell me your answer is number 1, you are absolutely wrong, because no one said that. Okay, part of the candle is inside, part of the candle is outside. Okay, that is why it is not qualified. We are looking for a candle that is outside of this zone, outside of the range. Okay, this candle is not outside, even though some part of it is outside, but it is not completely outside. But now let's check this candle here. This candle is completely outside. Okay, doji candle, nearly a doji candle, is completely outside, and it doesn't touch the line. Say how far the line is to it. So that is what we are looking for. We are looking for the first candle that is formed outside of the channel, or outside of the box, or outside of the range, whatever you want to call it. This is the first candle. All right, so once we get our candle, it will take us into a trade. So if we get the candle above the line, it's a buy trade. If the candle was formed below this line, it's a sell trade. So it's going to be a market order. So once you find this candle, you just put a buy order right immediately. Okay, so let's do that. Let's put a buy order immediately here at the close. Remember, it's at the close of the candle. Don't jump before the candle close. Wait for the candle to close, completely close, and then you will place your order. Buy. Yes, that is it. So when you place your buy order at this level, you know that your stop loss is on the opposite line. Okay, and your take profit target is the size of the box. I will explain all that later on to our new people, but just follow us for now. Okay, so take profit target, how much is it? This one is 17.6, so let's call it 18 pips. Okay, so our TP1 is 18 pips. It means that's our first target, 18 pips. We can set the second target, which will be twice that size. That will be 18 times 2, 36. And the third target will be 3 times that, which is 18 multiplied by 3, which will give us, who can calculate that for us? 18 multiplied by 3, 8 multiplied by 3 is 24, 54. Okay, my brain is still working. Don't tell me to do multiply by 5, okay? At least I can get it up to 3, right? My brain's still working. Thank goodness. All right, so, okay, so TP1 is 18, TP2 is 36, and TP3 is 54. So let's see what we get. So from here, we're looking for TP1, which is 17. Did we get it here? Not yet. We didn't get it here. What about here? Okay, we got TP1 around here, 17 pips or 18 pips, whatever, 18 pips here, 18 pips around here. Did we get TP2 36 pips? Yes. Oh my goodness, we actually got TP3. This is 56, 57. So we got TP1, TP2, TP3s. Ladies and gentlemen, what a brilliant day. Did anybody take this trade today? Mohammed. Oh, so you think it's 24, right? Okay, it's 54, right? So you got 54 pips here. We up to 56, 57. So you're able to get TP1, TP2, and TP3 out. And the market start to go down. None of your business anymore. You are through with the market. And let the market do whatever it wants to do. You are out. Okay, excellent, great stuff. That's a good trade. How many people traded this today? Euro dollar. If you do, let me know. Did you trade euro dollar today? Did you trade euro dollar today? Okay, let's see. This is USD Japanese yen. Let's look at USD Swiss francs. Okay, let's treat USD Japanese yen. Okay, let's treat USD Japanese yen. Okay, so this is USD Japanese yen. All right, now I'm going to slow down because of our new people, right? So for new people, all right, so this is how it works. Okay, so this is 1 hour box. The whole of this purple box is 1 hour. This is 5 minutes chart. So it starts from, if you look at the time here in the data window, you see that we start at 9 o'clock, 9:05, 9:10, 9:15, on and on until you get to 10 o'clock. Make sure you allow 10 o'clock candle to close to complete your box. So it is inclusive of 9 to 10, inclusive, okay? Inclusive, everything between 9 to 10, including the 10 o'clock candle, okay? So that will give you the box. So this can be done manually. It's so easy to do it manually. Anybody can do it. However, because we want to look at history, so when we look back, we can see the box history. We can look back, for example, look at yesterday, we see the box, so it can help us to see how the box has worked in the past. So that's why we got an indicator that draw the box for us, okay? So this indicator is called sessions. So I'll go to the indicator. You can see the name of the indicator is called sessions. This indicator, the properties are this. You can set 3 different type of sessions, okay? You can set the Asia session, Euro session, and USA session. Those are the 3 major markets we have. Australians will argue with us that they have Australian market as well. I agree. New Zealand, we also say they have their own market. I quite agree with you. In fact, Japanese will say they have their own special market. You are correct, okay? So all those markets, we put them all together as Asia markets, okay? And so Germany will say, look, I have my time, I have my market. That's true. London say they have their own. France, we put them all into the same bucket. Europe, similarly, America, Canada will say, yeah, I got my own time. America, I get my own time. US, we put them all under this US, okay? I hope you don't mind, eh? I hope you don't mind. This is not democracy, yeah? This is Forex. All right, so for now, we are going to first of all look at Europe session, okay? So if you don't want to see any session using this indicator, if you don't want to see it on the chart, just set the color to none, okay? Hence, Asia box will not be showing. Not US box will also not be showing because we have set the USA color to none and Asia color none. But you look at Euro color, we put it at purple. So by the time is 9 to 10, okay? The original time is 7 to 8 GMT, right? 7 to 8 London time. But because I use IC markets, and because a fellow here have just mentioned that he switched to IC markets because he doesn't want to be confused about time. I don't blame him because the time is the most important thing out of this thing. If you get the box wrong, then your result will be different to other people's result. It doesn't mean that you are going to lose. No. You might even make more gain, but we will not be able to confirm with other people at the same time, especially the day that doesn't go well. Right, so because IC market is 2 hours ahead of London time, that is why my time is 9 to 10. Otherwise, it should have been 7 to 8 if my broker is using the same time as a UK time. But my broker is not using the same time as UK time. It's using 2 hours ahead of UK. Hence, my time is 9 to 10. So you can find what your time is and set it in this box here. Excellent. I hope that is clear. Loud and clear. So that is how we got the box. Any questions so far? Okay, let's see. Thank you so much. You've been watching my video. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. The box is 9 to 10. So it's London market open. Yes. Here it opens at 10 a.m. So what you need to do is just look at this box here and set yours accordingly. Do we buy when the body of the candle is bearish? Well, you will see that later on. We'll discuss it much more. Thank you so much, Mohammed. Can we use SBS with any instrument? Of course, we shall see now, very soon. Robert, my friend, they have also disturbed me for some time as I'm opening live account with them. Up to now, document not yet. Yes, I think I share your frustration about this. You know, someone else has told me about it. They need to make it quicker. They are one of the best in the business at the moment. IC market is one of the best, actually one of the biggest for now. And when you want to put your money, go and put it in a big place. Don't put it in a broker that will evaporate will evaporate tomorrow. Oh my goodness, I don't want to tell you a story about evaporating brokers. So right, so Die Hard Junior, welcome back to there. Die Hard, yes, you can use it on any instrument. Oh, to get the indicator, okay, you want to start me up to this one today, right? You are starting me up with this indicator thing, all right? So let me give you this Telegram group link. So that is where you can get the indicator from. So from here, you can get the indicator from there, okay? Thank you so much. You can hear me loud and clear. So Francisco, sure, as I can't get the indicator on the MT5, I use my watch and my market 24. I think someone has posted the MT5 version on the Telegram group. You can come in and check, okay? The veterans are here, okay? Welcome, veterans. So look on that Telegram group. I think MT5 version has been posted. Don't quote me on that, but check. Some veterans will help you out when you get to the Telegram group. Okay, so we got the box here. Let's conclude this one now. We got the box here. So now what you are looking for after the box is complete is you are looking for the first candle that will pop out of this box. It could pop out outside at the up here at the top or below the box. Above or below the box, we are ready. We are like a trap. We are setting the trap for the market. So that's one of our strategies, trapping the market. Okay, yeah. Okay, yes. A phone version. Yes, I think, yes. There's a phone. Yeah. Just get to the Telegram and ask that question. I think some veterans will answer you. But I think I saw something like MT5. So now you are looking for the candle that will pop out of this zone here, either above or below, but that candle must be separate from the line. It must not be touching the line at all. The first is that it's outside the box, and the second is that it's not touching the line, okay? Because something can be outside, but at the same time still touching it. So let me expand this so that you can see, okay? All right, I'll make it so massive so that you can see clearly. All right, so let's see. Let's make our box at the right spot, okay? And make this box, this line at the right spot. Okay, good now. Okay, fingers on the buzzer. I'm gonna make it a bit complicated. All right, good evening. Let's make it Mali. Let's make it Mali. Make money. Make money. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to start from this candle because I know somebody wants to tell me the answer before I say the question. So, that's why I'm changing my way I begin. So, I'm beginning from this candle is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. I better plug my laptop. Hang on. All right, so where are we? France beat everybody today. He beat everybody today. 4, Danish 4, Jacob 4, Mbarik 4, Morris 4, Wasami 4, Amsa 4, Ifeanyi 4, Danish 4, Francisco 4, Seba. Good to see you. Ali Eknemium 4, Remios 4. Okay, Morris. Oh, you got confused. I know. It can happen. So we started with this bearish candle here. If you look at my my cursor, we started at this one here. So this one is number 1. This is number 2. This number 3. That's number 4. Did I say number 5 as well? Just to make it complicated a little bit. But the veterans don't know. Complication doesn't change their mind, right? It could be complicated, but my veterans, they know the answer. Ravenous 4. Okay. Die Hardall. Yes, you're welcome. Aliu 4. Dario 4. Okay, so we seems to get the gist now. So right, let's see. So if you tell me your answer is number 1, you are completely wrong, because number 1 is inside and outside at the same time. Same thing happened to number 2, half outside, half inside. We don't want that. We don't want a lukewarm candle. We want committed candle. All right. Number 3, half inside, half outside, half leg in, half leg out. We don't want them. They are indecisive candle. Okay. But check out this little hammer candle here, right? Bearish hammer candle here. It is completely outside, right? And it's far away from the line. So far it's not touching the line. That is our candle. So you got it. Yeah. Great stuff. You got it. So we got our candle here and we're happy. We're happy with where we put our sell order. This is market order to sell at that point. Okay. When you sell at that point, your stop loss is on this line. Sometimes you might, if you wish, you can put 1 or 2 pips on top of it just for safety net. But if you don't put it, it doesn't really count that much, because you don't even want your price to go to your price to go near that point, whatever. So you sold here and you have set your stop loss, and let's find out what is our take profit target. The TP1 first target. First target today is 11.3. Okay, let's round it up to 12 pips. So our first target is 12 pips. Our second target will be 24 pips. Our third target will be 36 pips. Fourth target 48 pips. Fifth target 60 pips. Hey, I still remember my arithmetics. My multiplication table. Who remember his multiplication table? Yeah, can you say multiplication table? I mean, is it 4 times table? Cool. All right. So at this level here, we sold here. We are looking for 12 pips. Oh my goodness! Look at that train. Where is that train going, man? Where is this train going? It was just dropping like a pack of cards today, right? So let's see what we got. Okay, let's see what we got. All right, so from here we sold from here. I'm gonna make it let me just zoom it a little bit so I can see the bottom of it. What I'll do is I do this way. Yeah, that way is better. That way is better. It's much better. Okay, so from here you go short from that dotted line. That's your sell order. And then you are looking for 12 pips. Where did you get it from? Oh no. Okay, this is 12 pips here. You got TP1, 24, you got TP2, 36, TP3, 48, TP4, 60, TP5, 72, TP6, 84, TP7, 96, TP8. Because we got to 100 pips, as you can see, we got to 100 pips take profit. So that is 12 multiplied by 7. Is that 84? No, 12 multiplied by 8, is it? Yes, 12 multiplied by 8 is 96. So we got our TP1, TP2, TP3, 4, 5, 6, TP7, TP8. What a brilliant day for USD Japanese yen. Hey, if anyone is able to track this to TP8, they will call them the Wizard of Oz. It will be called the Wizard of Oz. But let me show you something. You know, there are two different ways you can trade this. Assuming that you are the person that normally sets, you hope for the best and you plan for the best. So you plan for the best and the best happen. You always set a lot of trades. So for example, you need to trade, your account size can trade one standard lot, for example. But instead of you to enter one standard lot at the same time, you break it into pieces, one mini lot at a time. So 0.1, 0.1, or 0.2, 0.25 times, or 0.1, 0.1, 10 times. So you enter everything at the same time, but you set different TP for each of the trades. So if you are the person, so you will have got, say here, you got one trade there, right? The first entry there, the second entry, you have all the entry here, all the 10 entries there, or all the 5 entries, whatever. Then your TP1, your TP2, your TP3, your TP4, your TP5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's say that is your TPs, okay? That is if you have the magic ball to know where the price is going to end, but no one has the magic ball. So I'm not expecting you to be able to get all this down to the bottom here. Not at all. You can do it. I'm not disputing your geniusity and your professorial ability and your your greatness, but it might be difficult to get it. So, but I am showing the example of how it could work. So let's say we then have all those trades and you start with the first one. So when your first trade hits your take profit target, which is here, okay, so it goes. Then what you do is you move your stop loss to that point, okay. Your second trade also hit the take profit target, you move your stop loss to that for all of them, right? The remaining, you move your stop loss for the remaining trades into that position. Next, that also goes, all right, this also goes, then you move your stop loss again, okay. This also goes, number 4 goes, you move your stop loss. Number 5 also goes, you move your stop loss. You'll be trailing it, okay. That's what is called trailing. But how much are we trailing by? We are trailing by the same size of the box. Don't use any arbitrary number like 10 or 15 pips, trail by 4 pips or trail by 20 pips. No. Don't do anything different. Just use the size of the box as your trailing stop. Okay, so this also have gone, you move your stop, okay, for all the remaining trade, the remaining 2 trades, okay. And second to the last trade gone, you move your stop, and the last thing gone, and everything gone. Okay, that's how to trade it manually, okay. That is on the special day. This is a special day. You don't get this all the time, but when you have this chance, you can make the market. The other thing I'll show you, ladies and gentlemen, is an indicator called the ATR. The ATR indicator is already on our Telegram group channel or Telegram group. So let me insert that indicator here quickly to show you how it works. So it's called ATR stop. Okay, I'm not going to change anything. It's just going to be the default value. So this ATR is same thing as super trend. If you know super trend, they are exactly the same thing, just different names. So if I say okay, right, so let's say you have got into the market somewhere, you got into the market there and you remain, and then you're able to catch this this ATR following you and telling you you will have come out from here. Okay, so this is the best this ATR can do for you regarding this particular trade, and you can still see that if you follow it, it's still trailing this buy or this up move. This bullish move is still trailing this bullish move. This color will only change when the price closes below that line. When the price closes below this line, it will turn again to red, as you can see here. Here the price closes below this blue line, it turns to red. Here the price closes above the red line, it turns to blue, and so on and so forth. In case you want to try that indicator, it's on the Telegram group. So let me post that group to you again, that you can go there now, click it and join very, very fast. Okay, so let me go to Telegram group and see what is happening there. All right, if you have not joined the Telegram group, I think the best time to join is now. Okay, because we are going to make a big announcement about Telegram. Oh, Prostata is typing after he has finished his message. I want to see the numbers of subscribers that we have now, or the number in the group. Okay, the number in the group, you will soon see when this gentle person 1004. Hooray! I mean, this is fabulous. If you are here when we started, you know, somebody just say, oh, why don't we have a Telegram group? And we say, okay, let's do it. So it was your own idea. It wasn't even mine. It was your idea that we should start a Telegram group. We started with on that day, I think we were about 10. So see what is going on now. We hit 1,000. But guess what? What are these 1,000 people doing? They were doing one single strategy, Forex Simple Breakout Strategy. It's called the SBS. The market is going to hear that SBS very soon. They are already hearing about it, but it's going to go viral. So I want you guys to make it go viral, you know. How can it go viral? We shall put it on a steroid. we shall put it on the moon. So, ladies and gentlemen, you always crack me. Let me drink water. So, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is going far. This thing is going very far. It's already 1,004. Okay. So anyway, if you join this Telegram group, what you can do is go to the file section. There is a file section here. Click the file. Okay, when you click the file, the indicator we are using. Oh, great! Somebody was asking for the MQ5. Great! Can you see the MQ5 here now? See, that is the MQ5 version. You can see. So I thought I saw it. This is the MQ5 version. And for the MQ4, just scroll down. This is the MQ4 version. Where is it? Session. Yeah, this is the MQ4 version. Sessions. Okay. So we are using session box. But you can have a look at other indicators that other people have posted. Quite a lot of indicators there. Fine indicators, good ones. So have a look. So for MT5, it's already here. So you don't have to worry too much. You can download it for free on that group. So if you have not joined, you got the link. You join now. Excellent. All right, let's read some comment. Oh, okay. Yes, you want to know about the competition. Okay, I'm going to give time to the competition today. Thank you, Francisco. I'm in Ghana. You are new here. So what will be the success rate of this strategy in percentage? Okay, without exaggeration, I think we are looking between 70 and 80% for the success rates. Okay, but you can make it your own strategy by doing the right things. Okay, using proper management, money management, and the rest. Okay, I think it is pips. It will depend on the amount of pips. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm just reading the comment. Are we entering USD Japanese yen on European session? Yes, you can. Any currency pair, you can trade any session. Asia, Europe, or US. Any currency pair. Even the indices, you can see, if you have the time to check it out, some of them, they obey the box. They bow down to the magic box. They obey the magic box. Okay. All right. Right. So good. Okay. So FS Blue password setting is failing. Yes. I think there is some issues with this FS Blue. But I think if you stick to it, if you really stick to it, you will get it. Okay. So what we are going to do now is we are going to go through it together. So there is a challenge. We call it the SBS challenge. Okay. So it's a trading competition. This is your chance to prove that you are a consistent and profitable trader using the SBS method. Entry is free and there are cash rewards to be won. Okay. So once you have been trading SBS, you know the rules. You can join that challenge. The challenge will start on July the 1st. So you have to register before it starts. You can still register after it has started, but I think you want to build your portfolio to be able to be top of the pile. So this company here, they call them FS Blue. They are independent company. A lot of brokers or traders, they go there to publish their MT4 or MT5 results. So they are independent, so people cannot tamper with their results. So you go to FS Blue. So if I click it now, it should take me to FS Blue. So when we get to the FS Blue website, okay, so you get to FS Blue, you go to the home page, that is FS Blue, okay, and you click competitions, okay, you click competitions, and any competition that is still pending, that is, it hasn't started yet, like our competition has not started yet, it will be under pending. So you go to pending, and you will see we are number 1 here on the list. I think because we are the last one that registered. We only registered a day or 2 days ago. So you come here and you click the competition. You say you want to join your trade mentor SBS challenge. Currently we have 7 participants, but we are going to get more. So you need to join quickly. So you click that. That's the SBS challenge. So there is a tab here called join. Okay. If you need to read the rules are going to be under here. So go through the rules. The rules are very simple. All right. And the prices to be won are also there. Then you click join. So when you click join, if you are not a member of this FS Blue company, I think FS Blue is owned by Oanda. If you know Oanda, they own the FS Blue. Okay. So just give a minimal information that you need to give to register. So to register, you click register and you come to this page. Okay, so you have to be patient with them. So because you don't have a login yet, so you are not going to do anything here. So you come here, say register with FS Blue Live. So if you have MT4 platform, you say register. If you have MT5, you say register. Most of you will have either MT4 or MT5. If you have something else, maybe this one, you can also do this one. But if you have the experience of using their EA, they have an EA. The EA is not to trade. The EA is just to publish your result. But this method of publishing your result is called account synchronization. So most traders will use this type of synchronization. So you choose, if you are MT4, you click register. Okay. So there are not many questions they will ask you. Very few questions. Okay. As you can see, there's not much. First is they will ask you, who's your broker? Because you want to publish your result. Who's your broker? So you choose a broker. For example, you all know my broker by now, right? You can't believe that I've gone through a lot of brokers before I settle with these people. IC Market, okay? So IC Market, they have, you can enter with a demo account or live account. You can see IC Market have all the demos and all the live accounts. So you will find yours here, okay? So let's say you are opening with a demo account, for example. Let's say your account is called, let's say it's called Demo 5. Let's say it's called Demo 4, whatever it is called. You put Demo 4, or if it's called Live, let's say Live 12, whatever it's called. So your account number that IC Market or any other broker gave you, let's say it's, your broker is called HF Market, whatever, you put it there. Let's assume is this number, yeah? Okay, then you have a password that your broker has given you, read-only password. You enter that password there, okay? That's it. And then you put your email address here. You put your email address and you click register. It's as simple as that. When you click register, you will get a message that will say you should send an email to an email address that is sent to you. It's like a verification. So they want to verify your email address, this email address. So, but instead of them to say click this link, they won't say click this link. They will say send email back to them. So don't worry, just send that email that you receive. That you will get an email saying send email to this email address. Just send it back to them. You can just type hello. So once you type it, and then that's it. Once you complete that and you confirm your registration, then you come back again to competitions, right? You come back to competition and then you go back to pending, and now you know you already registered. So when you click your tradementor.com, now you already registered. So when you click join, now when you say login, you say login. This time you are going to log in. So you are not going to come near here again. You are not going to repeat this step again. Instead, you are just going to put your username and password here. Okay? Username and password. That's it. You are set. So I'm looking at who is going to be number 8. How many have you got? Let's say, how many have you got? We got 7. I want to see who is going to be number 8. And we are targeting to beat the number of participants here. Let's see. Oh, the maximum here for now is 30. We are going to exceed 30. So I'm counting on you guys, because you need to challenge yourself. Okay? One good thing about it is because there's something involved, it will seems like you are doing a live trading. Okay? So it's different from ordinary demo trading. So even if you are using a demo account, there is a little bit involved because you are looking to gain something out of it. So your emotions will be different. Okay. So if you look at the active ones, if you look at participants, look at that. 807 people are participating in this African Forex competition. The other one called Funded Traders Group, 107 example competition, and so on and so forth. So we want to beat these numbers. Okay. Good stuff. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is your chance to shine. This is your time to show that you are SBS Badger. Oh, Wasame, you number 7. Great. I can see that. You know, the good thing about it as well is that it's very discreet. You don't know, your name will not show. As you can see, no one will know your name. So it's just numbers, which is great. So Wasame has registered. I think maybe this is Wasame or that is Wasame, but he has registered, but it's very discreet. So go ahead now, as we are talking, try it out now. Make sure you are able to register. If you are hitting any problem, let's know and we can help you out. Wasame, I think you are going to be the champion for FS for the trading competition challenge, the SBS challenge. Wasame, you have been promoted to the veteran level. But your veteran is on the SBS challenge, okay? Because you register successfully. So any questions that you have about registration, please ask Wasame, and many other people will help you out. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you understand that. All right, let me answer some questions now. Okay, great stuff. Okay, so yeah, so I have done it with FS Blue, but I have opened an account with HF Market, but I was forced to open the account with $5,000 minimum. Okay, so HF Market is $5,000 minimum. Our trading competition says you can trade with maximum of $1,000. Because why we do that is we want to make sure you are in the mood of a live trading. Some competition will say trade with $100,000, but we all know that you are not going to open a live account with $100,000. So 1,000 we think is a good one. So what I suggest to you is, Francisco, is if your HF doesn't offer $1,000 account, you can open with another broker demo account if you wish, and just open a $1,000 account demo and try it. Join the competition, not only to win something, but to test yourself. You know, you want to test yourself. You want to how can I say it? You want to discipline yourself. Okay, that's the word, discipline. Okay, great. So I'm looking forward to who's going to be number 8. Wasame has claimed number 7. Who's claiming number 8? All right, so competition is starting 1st of July. Okay, so 1st of July competition is starting 1st of July. Okay, it didn't say it here. Let's see if it says it in the over there. I think it's starting 1st of July. Okay, so let's see, competition pending. Okay, challenge and rules. Okay, so I just want to show you. Okay, so this is starting from 1st of July 2020. So we have how many days left? Today is 23rd. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days to register between now and 7 days. So you got plenty of time to do that. Excellent. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so this is the, let's now remove this indicator. Okay, we're done with this indicator now. Good. All right, so who wants to see something else? All right, so Fun House, you are new from Namibia. Welcome, Fun House. You like our work. You've been watching for some time now, and you think our strategy is highly profitable. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, yeah, you want to use my strategy for the live account? That's great. A lot of people are doing that already. Okay, you're already with FS Blue. The issue is that the minimum amount is $5,000. All right. Okay, can I have more than an account? Yeah, yes. The good thing is that you can have more than one account. Okay, you can operate more than one account. However, the rule states, let me show you the rule. One of the rule, it's not difficult, and we didn't want to discourage you. One of the rules is that okay, to give everybody the chance of winning, a single trader can only win one prize. So if you have, say, open 3 accounts, you cannot only yourself win all the 5. You have 5 accounts, for example, and you know the SBS strategy very well, and you win prize 1. You are the second person, you win prize 2. You came third, you win prize 3. You came fourth, you win prize 4. You came fifth, you win prize 5. So, you know, so it's not going to be fair. So we say, okay, as a trader, you can only win one prize. So if you come first, you win one prize. Let the next person win the second prize, and so on and so forth. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is real cash, okay? But most importantly, it's not the cash that is important here. It's the attitude and the commitment and the discipline. That is what we want to check out. Remember, you are only using SBS strategy for this. Okay, you use SBS strategy. However, you can use any other indicator to monitor your trade. Okay, you need to use the simple breakout strategy as taught by your tradementor.com. Each trade must be in conformity with the signal from the SBS box. You are free to combine the SBS with any indicator that will help you manage your trade. So if you want to use ATR, you want to use Fibonacci extension, you want to use stochastic indicator or moving average, perfect, you are welcome. In fact, we welcome it, and it's a good thing. All right, so let me give a shout out to Trader Newbie. Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's give a shout out to some people here. Okay, I'm giving a shout out to David because he's been very, very helpful. Sandile has been good as well. All right, Sandile, Robert has been very good. Thank you so much. Let me give a shout out to more people. Who is there again? See, you see the same name coming up again and again and again and again. Again and again. They've been very good. They've been very helpful. Francisco Jao, thank you very much. You've been great. See, it's answering questions. So use the link above. That the mentor is online. You see, so people are already answering other people's questions. Okay, thank you so much. That's great work from all you guys. Oh, Wanago, yes, Wawago, I'm giving you a shout out. I think I've seen your contribution as well. Well done. Great contributions. Okay, great contribution. Okay, excellent. Majid, thank you for coming and contributing. Okay, Lovikwe, good stuff. I know you've contributed a lot. Thank you so much. Yeah, Bolariwa, you are coming up on board as well. Good stuff. Okay, let me see more veterans here. More veterans. Mohammed, thank you so much. You are here as well. Great stuff. Thank you for that. Okay, this is great stuff. Look, that's an example of somebody describing the strategy in a very, 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 very succinct way, in a very clear picture. I even like his picture. You see, it's so clear. You don't even need to talk. Just look at the image, you get the strategy. Even if you've never traded SBS before, just looking at this is telling you everything you need to know, right? So it tells you this is the candle, and why is the candle? You also you can figure it out. That is a candle that is not touching the line. It's giving you this is the range. That's your take profit target, and it's so clear. It's telling you the box is 1 hour box, which is between 7 and 8 o'clock GMT or London time. And then all you can do here is to make your TPs, whether 1, 2, or 3, or 4, or 5. You can make your TP. So I'll give a shout out to the person that posted this picture. It's a lovely picture. That's Lovey Ike. That's good. Thank you so much for that. Lovely picture. I like it. It's very sharp and clear. Great stuff. You have done very great. So can see this, the name all the time. It's answering a lot of questions. So, and you know what it's called? Karma is when you do something for people, good thing will also come back to you. It's not a prayer, it's it's a law of nature. All right, let me give a shout out to Ali, okay? Because I made a comment to his chat, okay? So what happened? I think it says I pick him out just to give you an example of how market work. It took a trade. It said, "Hi, this is my entry for GBP USD." Okay, so it took this entry early in the morning. So the box was formed at 8 o'clock, and he got a buy entry. He entered. Okay, so he entered that trade, and what happened? It came back and said, hi, now I move the stop loss to break even, because when he entered the trade here, the price has moved up. He has realized some pips, so when he doesn't want to lose all his money, so he moved his stop to break even. So that means it is now moved to stop loss. I've moved to stop loss to break even, so it's a free trade. Thank you. Okay, so he moved his stop loss to break even. It shows everybody that this is what I'm doing. Okay, all right, let's listen. Let's see what happened next. Let's follow his story. I like his story. Okay, so he moved it, because I teach you guys to do that as well. I hope I can find his next story, which wasn't nice, because he wanted to think that he has done the wrong thing. Where is it? I hope I haven't passed it. If I have passed it, I'll tell you what the story was. Okay, I hope I haven't passed it yet. Maybe okay, yes, no, was it this one? Okay, let me see. Okay, so now somebody says I enter the trigger candle follow. So somebody says he has made profit on GBP USD, and my friend here is disappointed. He says, yes, I did the same. Entered on 5-minute candle that is above the box when it finished, but my target 33 pips did not happen, and I moved to break even and got nothing. Oh, he got nothing. Gee, oh, he got nothing. He was so disappointed, right? Because he moved his stop loss to break even, and what happened is the market came to hit his stop loss. Okay, so he didn't lose any money. He came out break even, zero. He didn't gain, he didn't lose, but he was disappointed. All right, I don't usually comment on Telegram. I don't usually comment, but when I saw that, I thought I should encourage him. Okay, so when I see that he was disappointed, I think I made a comment. Look, I think this is my comment, right? Okay, so this is my comment. This is my comment to him. I said, you did the right thing. Your quick decision and safe approach help you avoid hitting the stop loss. So what happened was that GBP USD actually came down, take him out at break even, and went all the way to hit the stop loss. All the way down to hit the stop loss. So I'm sure he's a happier man when he realized that he has taken the right decision. When he took the decision early, he was disappointed. He was almost crying. Oh, I should have leave it, because now people are making money. I am not making money. But he did what a successful trader does. That is, protect your capital. So it protected his capital. He lose nothing. Zero. Nada. Bear. Nothing. So let's follow his story. So that's not the end of the story. So because I was interested in him, in fact, I like the way he caught his trade that way. So, and then later on, his name is Al-Kanim, right? Ali, let me see. His name is, I think it's Ali Al-Kanim, yeah? Okay, so I think he came back later on. Yeah, he came back later on. All right, so he replied. I think he came back later on. Let me see his final story. Let's round up his story, okay? Let's round up his story. Ali, sorry for taking you, putting you on the spot, but I like your story. I think you're going to be a great trader. I can see. Because you took a good action, good decision. You're not worried about anything. Somebody asking about trading with IC markets. They do have, you can trade with them using Naira. See, that you can convert, they convert with, they convert to Naira for you automatically. Let me see if I finally find his last comment. Okay. All right. Is this his last comment? Okay. At least it is better than losing your funds to the market. I have a daily. Okay, no, somebody is telling him something. Okay, I want to hear him. Final statement. All right, so final statement. Hope we find it. If you don't find it, I'll tell you because I know it. Let's look at his final statement. All right, so he was saying finally, I think it took another trade on GBP USD again. It took GBP USD again, and the GBP USD again turned out to be a better trade. Okay, I think I missed it. Okay, Alkanem. All right, so okay, so it took a GBP USD again, and this time around it said it took 3 positions, and it closed one of the position in a profit. Okay, so that's a good story, and you guys, you know that I always love good story. Okay, and when you hit a bad patch, if it is not a mistake you made, I don't mind, but don't make mistake. Don't do the wrong thing, do the right thing. And if the market didn't come your way, next time it will come your way next time. Okay, excellent. Okay, so that is the story. I couldn't see the last bit, but that is the final story of our man. So he made profit at the end of the day today. Okay, excellent, good. So what do we do next? All right, so if you have not joined Telegram, it's time to join Telegram. You got the link to join Telegram. Let me send you the link again. Okay, get the link to Telegram is here. So we are already over 1,000 on the group. Okay, we are waiting for you. It is only you that we are waiting for. All right, let's see. Any question? Since it's the demo, you can use IC Market instead of, yes, you can use IC Market. Yes. Do you trade other sessions other than London session? Yes, we do. Okay, your trade mentor platform. Oh, do we have time to talk about that tonight? All right, let's quickly talk about your trade mentor platform. Okay, all right, so something bigger is coming, right? Another big thing is coming. Okay, so it is called yourtradementor.com. yourtradementor.com. Okay, I'll show you now. Okay, so this is yourtradementor.com. As most of you know me already, that I've been operating our YouTube channel for many years, and you want me to be your mentor. So I've said when I'm ready to do mentorship, I will tell everybody, all the world will know, because some fake people have pretended to be Dare or Make More 8, but now you are speaking to me directly. So my mentorship program is starting. Okay, so it's starting very soon, but I'm going to show you quickly what you are going to see. Okay, so you are going to get 3 packages. So the first package, sorry about that, the first package is the silver, gold and diamond. Okay, so for silver package, you get all the tutorial videos, you get the live sessions, you get all the strategies, you get all the indicators. You are going to download indicators until you are tired. Oh my goodness, you're going to enjoy until you're tired, right? Then for the gold package, you get everything that silver has. However, you get the chance to have a 2 hours mentorship. So if you are somebody that you really want one-to-one with me, okay, you can book this one. If you think you need a longer period of mentorship, like 3 days, or we call it 6 hours, then you will go for this package. Okay, so when you get any of this package, you can go in and if you log in, let's say you get a package, you come into the student area. Okay, so when you come in, let's say you come into your dashboard. So this is going to be your dashboard. Okay, so for example, this student is a gold package. Okay, so this student is a gold package, and it can book one session with me one-to-one. Okay, so it says you can create or schedule your sessions. Okay, it will tell you all you have to know. You have a total of one session that you can schedule. It's automatic. This is one of the best in the market for now. Okay, it's automatic. So you book the session. How do you book the session? Okay, on your calendar you see something like this. Okay, this is calendar. So this is June 2020. So you will see some days you cannot schedule a meeting with me because all these days are in the past, but the days are coming that I have made myself available as your mentor. So if, say for example, you want to have a mentorship with me tomorrow, which is Wednesday, tomorrow Wednesday, if you are available, you click the date that you are available, Wednesday. Okay, so it will show you all the time that's available for Wednesday, for example. So it says, let's say this is you have one session, you can book one session. So I have made myself available to you on, say for example, on June 25 between 9 and 11 a.m., 6 and 8 a.m., and so on and so forth. So all you got to do is to click the time that you want to have a mentorship with me, because you have only one session. You cannot book more than one session. Okay, so you book a session, you submit your schedule. If you don't like this session, you X out of it, you pick another day. Let's say you want this day on the 26th, you can book any day, anytime. Say you want that day, you book that day. Yes, you submit your session, you submit your schedule. So once you submit your schedule, let's do one. I will receive the information. Let's say you book it, say you want a session with me 3 to 5 p.m. The good thing is that it will show on your own local time. Okay, it's not my time. It will show you on your own local time. It will convert it. So once you do that, then it gives you the information that now you have booked a session with your mentor. Your mentor is Dare. Your mentor is Dare, and your session is June 26th from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. So when you do that, I will get notified that you are booked. So, and I will send you all the necessary information that you need to know. Okay, so you got a lot of stuff. Okay, you have resources available to you. Under resources, you got a lot of videos that you can watch that's prepared specially for you. You got a lot of resources, and you got training video. This training video is something that only you can see. So it is your mentorship area. Whatever that we have discussed together, you are going to get it here. So on that video, you got loads of video that you can watch, and they are all prepared for you. Loads of video. Also, we have resources available. Under resources, you have different type of resources. You have videos, you have files, you have a lot of resources. You can see this is how many pages. This is 68 entries, and we are going to continue to create resources every time. And also, if you want to go to the store, okay, you go to the store, and the store is only for members. So all this stuff is meant for you. Okay, all this stuff, you are going to get a coupon that give you download this stuff, right? So instead of paying for it, you are going to download it. It is yours. So, and we are going to add more and more to this. So this is what is going to revolutionize the trading market, and I can't wait, because I would love to have you on board. So this is going to be happening very, very soon. However, the reason why we wanted to talk about the competition is that we want everybody to be ready. Okay, we want you to be ready for the mentorship, because when you are in the competition, you can have a live account or a demo account, and when you are asking questions in the mentorship, you are going to be referring to your performance. So say for example, you say something like, I have taken 5 trades this week. I won 3 and I want to know the reason why I lost 2. And then you will bring those 2 trades and we analyze it together, and I can make suggestion and correction for you. Excellent. I'm excited about it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so for the lot size, the rule says that the maximum lot size you can have is 1 standard lot. Okay, you cannot have more than 1 standard lot size. Okay, the reason why we do that is we don't want to abuse the capital we have and overtrade, because if you overtrade on demo, surely you might do the same thing in live trading, or if you do it in competition, you might end up doing it in live trading. So what we said is the maximum lot size is 1 standard lot. Okay, so your initial capital will be $1,000. You start with $1,000 initial capital, whether live or demo is okay. And okay, that's it. It's exactly $1,000, and your maximum lot size will be 1 standard lot. Okay, so you don't necessarily have to trade 1 standard lot. You can trade 0.01 if you like, or 0.1 or 0.5, but you cannot trade more than 1 standard lot. Okay, so that everybody is on the playing field. Because if you have a $1,000 account and you are trying to trade 5 standard lots, that's not good. That's not good for live trading. Okay, excellent. Lot of questions. I'm on your contract live chat, seen live session on June 19. What's that? I don't understand. Collins, what did you say? Explain what you mean. I'm new here. I want to join the Telegram group. Okay, you're welcome. We love people joining us. We have hit over 1,000 people now. Thank you for coming and joining us. You are going to be part of our second 1,000. So veterans, thank you very much. Veterans that were there when we were 5, when we were 10, when we were 100, when we were 500. Now we are getting to thousands now. Thank you so much. We did the same thing with our YouTube channel. Let me quickly show you YouTube channel. I'm sure you all know our YouTube channel by now. The YouTube channel started very, very small, you know, and people have been with me for a while on YouTube channel. Let me quickly show you. Okay, so on the YouTube channel, we started like a play. Now we are 39.7k subscriber, nearly 40,000 subscriber. Okay, thank you so much everyone that has been part of this success story. We can't do this without you. I remember when I posted there's MACD, if you remember, double D MACD strategy. Actually, I saw it today. I saw that double MACD strategy today. I think I saw it on the Telegram group. Somebody posted it. I'm sure the person that posted it might not realize that it is my strategy, that I showed that strategy many years ago, few years ago. Let me quickly go there. It's not difficult to see it. I'll show you quickly. It's a powerful, okay, that's it. This guy has put it on mobile. This is double MACD strategy. Let me see. I think there's another one which is not on mobile. Let me show you another one which is not on mobile. I think if I can find it, or is it just that one? Okay, yes, this is the one. This is the one I'm talking about. This one. Okay, look at that. This strategy is called double MACD strategy, which I taught few years ago. It is still working. That strategy won a competition. This double MACD strategy won a forex competition, big forex competition, and I taught people how to use it, and people are still using it even as we speak. You can see somebody just posted it today in the Telegram group. Okay, thank you so much. It's been wonderful today. Okay, let's see one more chart before we go. Actually, somebody has asked me if we use other market sessions. Okay, so let's check other market sessions. So we are going to check. Let's check market session. So I'm going to turn on. We have done Europe. I'm going to turn on Asia session. Asia session. Let's make it okay. And let us turn on American session as well. Let's turn on American session. So we're making America, Europe, you know, it's 9 and 10. Asia 2 to 3. America, we make it 14 to 15. And let's see how it goes. Okay, good. There we go. There we go. Right. So this is USD Japanese yen. All right. So this is what happened USD Japanese yen today. So on American session, you make good cool box. On Europe, you make cool box as well. On Asia, the same thing. So let's go and look for a different kind of instrument. Let's look for, anyone wants to see any instrument? Okay, FS Blue user names can only contain numbers, letters, and the end. Okay, characters, spaces, and other punctuation are not allowed. Okay, thank you for that. Thank you for clarifying that. Can you tell me how to use the box? Okay, that's what we are discussing now. Okay, all right, yeah. Thanks, Collins. It's my bad. The live session says 19th June. Yes, I'm going to correct it. I am going to correct it. Yes. You know, I use the template, the one that I did yesterday or 2 days ago. I just use the same template. I just say create the same thing. I don't want to be typing the description every time. So when I create the template, I just change the date. But I think I forgot to change the date today. Thank you, Collins, for pointing that out. Okay, anybody want to see something else? GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD. All right, GBP USD is here. All right, so this is GBP USD. If you are trading this day in Asian session, you make your TP1 and possibly TP2 or maybe TP1. In Europe, you probably make your TP1. In US, today you make TP1 and TP2. Okay, so right. Okay, so I think that was the trade I was talking about. This was the trade I was discussing about. The guy was not happy, but eventually he became happy when he saw the results. Okay, let me quickly analyze it for you. So he got into a trade here. He got into a buy trade here. Okay, he got into a buy trade over there. All right, you got into a buy trade. He made about 20 pips and he moved his stop loss to break even. Then when prices come down, then it got stopped out here. Okay, but he was not happy because he got stopped out. He was thinking, oh, I should have left it. Maybe it's gonna go up and hit my TP. But see what happened. Instead, the price came down and hit the stop loss. So he was safe because he has come out at break even. I have said that many times, that try to do that. So the same guy now got second chance to go into the market here, and then he make money. So here he didn't lose anything, and now he's wiser and he now makes money here. Excellent. Anybody want to see anything else? Okay, that's good, Mojalefa. Yeah, I saw that, MacD. I just saw it. I said, look, this is a strategy I taught a few years ago. It's still very powerful. It's still very good. Excellent. Thank you so much for posting that. It's good. Okay, let's look at some indices. Okay, let's look at some indices. What do we look? JP225. We used to check that sometimes. Okay, for JP225, check that out. For Asia market, huge profit. For Europe, maybe break even. or maybe you just get some because this box is large. Maybe you get some pips out of here. For America, you got chance to make TP 1, 2, 3, 4 or more. Okay, let's look at gold. SAGUSD. Where is gold? SAUGSD. Where is it? Where is, oh, gold is there. SAUUSD. Ah, this is gold. All right, this is gold. If you are trading gold today in American session, hurrah. If you are trading gold in Europe session, TP1. If you are trading gold in Asian session today, maybe it's not so great for Asian session today because there were some big moves, right? Okay, but whatever that you do here, you are going to cover up, and here you are going to recover more. Which other things you want to see? Anybody wants to see something else? Anybody wants to see something else? Let's look for German 30, DE30, German 30. Oh, check that German 30 out. This always performed. This German 30 always performed. Look at that. So in Asian session, look at the performance. Look at the performance in Asian session. So look, how many pips are you going to make here? How many box sizes? Maybe 4, 5. And look at the performance in Europe again. In Europe, how many box size? Maybe 4, 5. And America, we come to American session. How many box size? From here, you go short from here, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4. So even if you have traded just this DE30 only today, you'll be a happy trader. Hey, thank you so much. Okay, good stuff. Okay, NASDAQ. You want to see NASDAQ? Okay, let's see NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100. US Tech 100. That's US Tech, isn't it? Yes, US Tech. Okay, this is US Tech. Is this today? No, this is not today. Let's look at today. Let's go to today. Okay, so this is today. All right, so if you trade Asian session with US Tech, that's what you get. All right, you get TP like TP45. For Europe, you get at least maybe TP1. For America, yes, for America, you get quite a lot of TP, maybe TP3, TP4. So that is how it works, ladies and gentlemen. All right, do we need to select box for section wise? No. Use the same box, just change the date, change the time. So your time for Asia 2 to 3. For Europe, 9 to 10, and for USA, 14 to 15. But remember, these are all IC market times. All right. Is there more questions? Any more questions before we round up? Any more questions from anyone? We are ready to answer them. Okay, when there's no more question, the time now is to say thank you. In my language, English. In your language, what is it? Gracias. Gracias. What else it is? Merci beaucoup. How do you select what session to trade for beginners? Okay, for beginners, I would say start with Europe session. Come, first of all, join the Telegram group, because most people are on the group in Europe session. And join the group first, and during Europe session, watch what people are saying, what type of what trades they are taking, which pairs they are trading, and then just get a feel of it, and then just jump in yourself. Start with demo account first. Use demo for few, maybe a week, 2 weeks, or a month, or 2 or 3 months, until you are comfortable. Then you can go live. Thank you for your time as well, everybody on the channel today. Appreciate you. So I will be signing off very, very soon if there are no more questions. And I say thank you so much. I will speak to you again. So let's go back to the Telegram group and let's continue the discussion there. So it's lovely speaking to you again. Thank you, Akiba. Thank you, Takish. Takies. Thanks. Is that thanks or Takish? Takies. So he wants to tell me what is thank you, goodbye in their language. Yeah. Ah, look at that. How many are we now? We are now 1005. More people are coming on board. Okay. Thank you so much. Enjoy it today, and I hope you do enjoy it yourself. Take care.